to teach you how you can create a Facebook page from scratch. Okay, so I'm just going to head into Facebook now. I'm going to click on my Facebook app, and I assume everyone has a Facebook app. If you don't, you can download it on Play Store or App Store. So this is a Facebook handle here. So to create my Facebook page, I'm going to click on this image icon here at my right hand side, my right hand top side here. I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to bring me here. So I'm just going to scroll and click on see more, and the next thing I'm going to do is click on pages. Now since I'm going to be creating a new page, I'm going to click on create. So when I get here, next I'm going to do is to click on get started. Okay, then this part is the part that requires us naming the page. So I'm just going to give him the this page name of this channel. This is everyday good. So this is this. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to choose a category. And you should also take note in this previous the previous step of choosing a name. If the name is already existing, it's going to keep telling you to change name. Okay, so ensure you have a unique name. I'm just going to choose a category for this page. So I'm just going to go with let's just pick some. You can search. Let's just search something. Just keep it simple. Just three. So I'm going to search um education. Education. Okay. Just take education. Let's take entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship. Oh, that's not it. Hmm. Let's go with this. Then let's go with health and beauty. Okay. I'm just gonna click on create. And that's how simple it is. I've created my page, and it says what best describe your goods, promote your products or services, create content and connect with fans. Bigger than personal. I think I'm gonna go with the second one here, and I'm gonna click on continue. And that is it. This is our page. So I'm just gonna click on next. Next. Done. So it's switching to the page now. It's switching from the original Facebook handle to this everyday good page. So this is how you can easily create your Facebook page from scratch. Okay, and you can go ahead to upload your profile pictures and banner pictures. Okay, if you want to start a tour for this new page you just created, you can go ahead to click on start tour. But since it's just a video I'm teaching you guys, I'm not going to do that. So this is page, guys. This is page. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to click on this icon here. So this is it. Is a new page, 0 likes, 0 followers. So if I want to add my banner, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to upload a photo or choose a cover photo. If I want to add a profile picture, I'm going to click on here, and it's going to give me options of choosing a profile picture or see profile picture. Okay, so this is it. This is our new page. So guys, this is it. This is how you can create a Facebook page from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.